Oh, yeah, yeah. Every time I see you, you make my heart say, oh, yeah.
Hey you guys, Ashley K here, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be talking about tips on how we can keep our skin moisturized and soft and nice and buttery smooth in these cold in this cold winter, because girl, it is cold as heck outside. It is cold everywhere. It is cold up in the States. It is cold up in Canada. It's cold where I live. It's probably cold where you live, okay? It's cold as heck, and where I live, we're talking minus 40 below, honey. Like, it's super cold. Is where you go outside and your face is instantly frozen. Like, every part of your body is freezing because it's that cold. It's so cold in my house. I had to throw on this hoodie, honey, because yes, the heat is all the way up to the max, and I feel like I'm freezing. Like, I'm freezing everywhere. So this is obviously like the worst time of the year when it comes to skin and protecting your skin, because it instantly is so prone to getting dry because it's so cold. So I just have a couple of tips on how I keep my skin super moisturized and super soft and buttery smooth during these crappy ass weather conditions. I'm also gonna be using body butters from the Body Shop. I honestly, this is not a sponsored video from the Body Shop. I just honestly love the Body Shop's products. I love all their scents, almost all their scents I've tried or had in the past or whatever, but I honestly have tried every cream possible, and the only cream that seems to be consistent with my skin is the Body Shop body butters. So I'm just gonna give y'all a quick rundown on the Body Shop creams that I use, the scents that I love, and then the little hints and trick that I use to make my skin extra smooth when I do use the body butters as well too. So let's get into the body cream that I buy. Is the this one is my staple one. This one is the holy grail out of all the body butters that I use. But this one, if you're gonna take any body cream out of this video, definitely go ahead and check this one out. This one is the Shea Butter body butter. So this one here, as you can see, this is a huge size. I always buy this one in the huge size because I go through these like crazy. Like, I'll buy two, and then by like the end of the month, like, I'm already done, like, between the two. Like, I have to go get a third one. That's how much I use this one. This is the biggest size it comes in. I think this one, it says it's 400 mils. It's 13.5 ounces, so it lasts a very long time, and it's really thick. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the consistency of everything. So I'm gonna get a close-up here. This is how it comes when it's whipped, and these are all whipped body butters. So it just, as you can see, it kind of looks like it's like a thick cream. But as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys the consistency. It's super thick. Like, look at that. Like, it's super thick, super creamy, which is what you will want when looking for a body butter, because then you know it'll stick on your skin pretty well. I'm just gonna use it up, honey, because I don't wait. Once you put this on, you don't need nothing else. But my skin is super dry, that I go ahead and I add coconut oil. So I add coconut oil to all of the body butters that I'm gonna show you guys down below. But with the added points of adding the coconut oil, it's like this, the oil seals everything in. So you have the body butter that you put on, and then you double it up with the coconut oil, and the coconut oil just seals all the moisture in. Like, it locks in the moisture, it locks in everything that you need to keep the skin super moisturized. So with these two steps, like, your skin after like a shower or anything like that is super soft, super moisturized, and super nourished. And that's what you'll notice when you're using this. And on top of that too, with the Shea, it doesn't have a very strong scent. It kind of has like a kind of soft, kind of delicate, not too strong of a smell. It just smells super fresh, which is what I like about it. And that's the one I use when I go to bed, because I don't want to have like a really strong smell. If you're gonna check out any of the body butters, definitely check out the Shea body butter one, because this one is hands down my favorite out of all of them. And the next cream that I'm going to mention, this one, I'm gonna start from like favorites to the ones that I just recently I'm going to try out. So this one is my next favorite, and this one is the Moringa body cream. As you can see, the two sizes, this is the largest size that they have the body butters in, and then this is the medium size. So, and right now I think they got a sale going on. The big ones are on sale for $20, 20 Canadian dollars, so definitely check these out. These ones are not on sale, and I think normally these ones go for $34 and they're on for $20, and these ones go for $21 and they're still regular price. So definitely go ahead and, you know, if you're gonna spend your coin on something, spend it on these big sizes, because you'll go through these like crazy, but like with these it'll last a little bit longer. Going back to the Moringa, this is the Moringa flower body butter. As you can see, it has a picture of the flower up top here. And basically, if you know what the Moringa flower smells like, this smells identical to the flowers. So if you're into flowery scents, if you're into stronger smells and kind of like perfumey smells, definitely check out the Moringa, because the Moringa is a super nice, super delicate kind of smell. As you guys can see, I'm like pretty much all the way done with this hoe. Okay, this hoe is almost finished. I like to wear this when I'm like going out or whatever, because it has such a perfumey smell that like you'll go out and it'll stay on you like all day. Like the scent is that strong, but it's not strongest to where it's like overwhelming. It's strongest to like it smells like a perfume, and you put this all over your body, and girl, you're gonna be smelling like the botanical garden. Like it smells super nice, but it's like super strong. So if you're into more perfumey kind of scents, definitely check out Moringa. It's like in a more spring summer, kind of a spring summer scent. I kind of go for this one, and I reach for this one more because it's more of like a summery kind of smell, or a spring smell where you smell fresh and you want to smell like flowers, everything is blooming. Then this is the one that will match that. Two ones I kind of wanted to check out. Actually with the Body Shop, they actually have a points card system. So when you're buying all these body butters and stuff like that, they give you points, and then if you have like a certain amount of points, you can get free items. So which is pretty cool, because I think I used up enough points, or spent enough money to get a $10 credit, and they had a sale on, right? So I went ahead and I got this guy here for free, the free, which is what I like. Okay, so, and this one is the Fijian Water Lotus. So I'll kind of do a close-up on how it looks there. So this one is kind of like a islandy kind of smell, oceany, islandy kind of vibes. I would definitely be grabbing for this in the summertime. It's not a strong smell at all. It's really delicate, which is what I like with all these body butters. Not their scents are like pungent, but they're not super overwhelming, which is what you would want with like body creams and stuff. You don't want to be smelling like, you know, like whoa, like you smell like really strong. You want to smell soft and pretty and like very delicate. So that's what I like about all these body butters. They all have very significant smells, but like they're still delicate and still pretty. So this is what this kind of smells. It smells like a island vacation. So if I was going on vacation, I would definitely bring this. And another tip too is what I do with a lot of these body butters is I mix it with the coconut oil. So every one of these I'm going to end up mixing with the coconut oil, just for that little hint of moisture, which is what I said, which is what's gonna keep us moisturized throughout this whole entire winter, is using the heavy creams, but also having the oil with the extra added hint that just takes the cream up a notch, which is what you need in these harsh temperatures. You want to make sure you still in your moisture, because then if you don't, then your skin is gonna be dry. The next body cream that I use, this one I just tried it out. I kind of smelled it in the store and I was like, oh, this is kind of pretty. So but I'll probably be using this, like I said, in the summer as well too. So this one is the Vineyard Peach. So it has a picture of the peach here, as it shows it here. This one is called Vineyard Peach. It really does smell like peaches. If you're into like a fruity kind of smell, if you like to smell like peaches, definitely check out Vineyard Peach. It is really a very strong peach smell. So I kind of like peaches. I like the smell of this. It smells really delicate and pretty, like very sweet. So that's why I kind of like this one, and I kind of grabbed for this one. So I was like, this is kind of cool just to kind of try it out. So I'll definitely be trying this one out. And as you can see, like I said guys, consistency is key with this this kind of company. They keep their creams all thick, nice and thick is what you want. So like this whole is not coming out at all. Like it's super thick, which is what we need for any season. Like I said, guys, that's about it for my little body shop haul, or little tips and tricks on how you can keep your skin super moisturized during these harsh climates. If you guys have any tips or any tricks that you guys use, or you want to leave it down below, let's start a discussion on how we can keep our skin super moisturized, because you know, in every climate all over the world, winter is a real hoe when it comes to protecting your skin. You have to make sure you do the absolute most to keep your skin super moisturized and super soft during these climates, because if not, you're just gonna be walking around with ashy skin, and that's not cute, girl. It's never cute. So, and if you guys are interested in which one you guys are gonna go ahead and run and pick up, if you guys are gonna shop at the body shop, let me know. If you guys haven't tried the body shop before and I sparked your interest on trying the body shop, definitely leave comments below. I want to interact with you guys. I want to get to know you guys and definitely find out what you guys are using. I'm always open to trying new things when it comes to winter, because girl, I need the absolute most help. And I'll see you guys in my next video.